Good morning, guys.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to the vlog.
It's 4th of July,
Happy 4th of July.
which is US Independence Day, and we are going to Las Vegas. So,
Yes. It's 5 in the morning, so we're ready for our drive. And this is where my house is at. So this is my colony society.
in Lovey.
All right. We'll see you guys in the car. Shai's gonna be driving from my house, which is in Phoenix, all the way to... Where are you driving to?
Kingman.
Kingman. Then Mama and Daddy are in the back. Oh. And Mama's in the back. Daddy's in the back. And then I'm gonna sit in the front seat. Alright. Bye-bye, house.
ऐसा क्यों बोला? Hey guys.
Heko कौन है?
Hello का बिगड़ गया.
Who's Hego?
So right now we are on US 60, which is the national highway.
Also, he's wearing my sunglasses. Girls' sunglasses, so do not judge.
But they get good protection.
Yeah, they have better protection, so I just gave him mine. That's why he looks like that. क्या बोल रहे थे?
Yeah. Right now, a funny thing happened. Didi was saying, I don't want food, but Mama kept on giving food. Like, you could have sandwich, you could have this, you could have that. And I said, Mama, why are you only talking about food? Let's talk about something else.
She was like, do you want to eat a sandwich? Do you want to eat some rice? Do you want to eat some papaya? Do you want to eat a mango? I'm like, oh my gosh, it's like 5. What time is it? 6 in the morning. I'm like, I can't eat. Everybody's moms are the same. Do you want to say something?
That's what I can do only.
Wow.
And I made us bored because Mama is just talking about food. Nothing
Yes.
else.
Shriji, do you want protein shake?
Okay, bye. Share your dard.
I was sitting to the right side and the directly sun was hitting, okay? And I have migraines, so just for the precaution, I asked, Manish told me just shift. I'm going to shift to the right and you shift to the left. I said, yeah. And as soon as we shifted, you know, after a minute I realized, oh my God, sun is not to the right now, it is at the back. And still I can face sun and I have still, you know, kind of sensation of migraine. Bah, Shuji said, don't say that word. Sorry.
My mom is Anupama. every time you ask her to say something, she's gonna give a कितने पेजों का भाषण? 5 पन्नों का भाषण. That's Mama. But yeah, Shai's driving. There is, we just crossed Wickenburg. Now there's a Shell gas station which is an hour away, and we're gonna take a stop there. And then after that, we're gonna go to Kingsman, which is an hour from the Shell gas station. Hello, we are at
Kingman
Kingsman.
in Arizona.
It's one of the cities that comes in Route 66. So you guys are gonna see some videos that we took at Route 66. It's really nice.
Yeah.
There's a museum at the back. It opens in like 30-ish minutes, but we're just gonna take pictures and then head out to Hoover Dam. So bright.
Yeah.
Ugh, very bright.
So this is Route 66, and yeah, as I showed, this is visitor center, and yeah, we are going towards that steam engine. And this road right here is Route 66. We spotted a Cybertruck in Kingsman.
अरे क्यों कर रही है?
थोड़ा लग गया.
I see it. Its height is also like it's pretty high. It's like we actually need to climb like all these stairs just to go up. And yet it's a steam engine from inside. It's kind of like it's awkward. Oh, that's a big step. And that's the steam engine. And that's the front. This engine is huge. And see its tires. I'm here and this is right here.
This cool police car.
Oh,
the
from 1950s,
1952.
Nevada! We have entered Nevada. Welcome to Hoover Dam.
Welcome to Hoover Dam. We just crossed security.
Yeah. And there are like 3 security checkpoints.
Yeah, they were checking for weapons, drones,
Yeah.
anything like that.
Mhm.
Drink water. Oh, I said do not take water. It's a desert.
Yeah.
A dessert.
I love dessert, but this is
It's a
desert.
dessert.
Yes, we are all there in Hoover Dam. Well, we still cannot see it. Gosh, it's so pretty.
It's so windy.
And that's a dam. Mama! And this is Hoover Dam. It's so huge.
Got off of Hoover Dam.
Yeah, it was pretty windy.
It was really windy. We made sure our caps, our sunglasses, our jackets didn't fall off, but it's cool. It's nice.
We were right
We were
up
right
there.
on the top. So pretty.
Oh wow, it's sad. Or this bridge. It's so huge.
Whoa, it's so cool to shine. Mama.
This is the engineering marvel as well.
Stop here. Stop there.
Now we are entering on top of the Hoover Dam. We are heading towards 7 Magic Mountains, and yeah, there are so many solar panels. We are in 7 Magic Mountains, and it's literally in the middle of nowhere. It's just
Yeah, we
dry
got,
land.
we
everywhere.
got here at 12:30, and as soon as we parked the car, there was like a dust storm.
Again.
All the people started running away from the mountain, so we sat in the car for like 5-10 minutes, but now it's less dusty. And we parked our cars back there, and then we're walking right now. So,
Yeah.
you want to say something?
I think
But-
we have to show those mountains.
I'll turn and I'll show you guys the
Those
mountains.
rocks are rocks.
Oh, it's so cool. Ugh. Just 2 more minutes of walking. We'll show you guys when we get there. So we found them. But here are the rocks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And here and
7 mountains in the middle of nowhere. I think they had this out as a art exhibition, and then it became really famous, so they never took it down. So now it's one of the landmarks people visit when they come see Las Vegas.
passing through Speed Vegas, so here we could drive supercars like Lamborghini, Porsche 911, GT3, and yeah, all the other sports cars. And in front there's a Lamborghini, and that's a car of Speed Vegas. We are in front of the fabulous Las Vegas sign, and we are next to the airport as well.
Las Vegas sign, and there's a really long line. So what we did instead, we just stood on the side and took a picture, and it still came out great. Then everybody's stealing our idea. Everybody's stealing my idea.
Now we are going to our hotel, and we will take like a short break. And Mama and Dad are back there.
I'm a nice person. I'm with people. Look at this Caesar's Palace.
And it's huge.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
बस हो गया जी.
Oh, look at.
ये रहा Paris.
Wow.
Eiffel Tower.
Wow.
And this is the Las Vegas Strip.
4th of July का भी था. ये रहा वो fountain. Is this it?
No, ये नहीं
So
है.
you need. Never mind. Never mind.
But yeah, we are close to, and we can also see the monorail. And that's our hotel, West End. I forgot one more thing. The Sphere is just next to our hotel.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's
Oh,
our
the
hotel,
Bond
West End,
House.
and Sphere is just next to it.
Oh, wow. I was
So yeah, we are here. And that's also the giant wheel. So we have entered the hotel, and the city hotel lobby is pretty nice. This is the hotel alleyway, and it's our room 1458. And here is how it looks. And then yeah, now let's enter.
Welcome to the room. It's here's a bathroom on the right side.
It's actually pretty compact.
Yeah, there's a bathroom.
Yeah.
Oh, did it hurt? The shower, toilet seat, just regular things.
And like yeah, here.
And then walk this way. You have a little cupboard to keep your clothes. Have an iron. I'm so tired, I can't even talk. You walk straight.
Here there are 2 beds, 2
There's-
queen beds,
There's a bed over here.
and 1 bed over there.
There's a bed over there. And then there's Mama.
And
Hey.
here also we have a mini fridge and a TV.
And then you have a full-size mirror.
Yeah. Are we there? Oh yeah.
And then this is the view.
We are on 14th
Yeah, we're on the
floor.
14th floor. There's the, I don't know which hotel that is.
That's the F1 paddock. And
Yeah.
we could also see the F1 track.
That's a F1 track. That's the whole city.
And that's Hilton Hotel. And towards that side
That's
on the
Hilton.
towards
That's
this
New
side.
York.
So
That is
that's
Cosmopolitan.
So that side is the what do you call
The
it?
Strip.
Strip.
The Flamingo Hotel is right next to ours, so. Yep. And that's parking.
It's packed today. So finally we are in the Vegas Strip.
We're tired. We're gonna take a nap. Bye-bye.
Bye.